Okay, Soaring Hammer members, team members, and 405th members, it's Ithaca here, and I have some really good stuff to show you this morning. Took Joe's Master of the Recon, completed the mold. You all saw the mold already, and we have our cast out, and she is looking beautiful. She looks really good. It's a first cast. There's the master. You can see the extended chin versus the non-extended chin, and the cutbacks in the visor were clayed in. And anywho, she looks really good. Now, I have some other really good news to share with you. Obviously, you all saw that we did the toe for the boot, and that's what we have here. This is one of our casts from it. Did 2 pulls so far. She is not cleaned up at all. This is a really rough cast. So all this will get trimmed off and cleaned off. It'll be cut right here at the base, so we're able to extend the plastic down past the ending point so it stays thick once you trim it up. But the exciting news is not so much this piece. I made one set of the Smoothcast 320. Y'all remember this little thing right here, right? Joe gave an example of it. Flexifilament 25. Okay, really nice stuff. Really light, durable, soft. Okay, y'all ready for this? There you go. About half the weight of the Smoothcast 320. Very easy to clean up with an X-Acto knife. This is my first one doing this, so see, I got to trim it right here. There's a little bit of trimming with the X-Acto knife, a little bit of cleaning up right here, and then you cut out, trim up the center with an X-Acto knife. I started doing that. So there you go. I'm going to do team members. Obviously, you all are going to get pretty much for cost. You all know that already. Joe, we'll get it set to you. It's going to take some time, everybody, because a lot of orders are going to be done. But I don't know if you all want to wait until we get the back piece done as well, or start handing out the toe portions first. But there we go. You will have Flexifilament boots. Joe can give a tutorial on how to paint them, which he had already done slightly, I believe. And we will discuss how to mount them, and the piece that's going to go from the front to the back. We're not going to use the plunger method for these. We're looking at doing some wired fabric. And we're going to check in the cost of that and where to get that. But there you go. Flexifilament tip for the boot. Good to go. G2G. And voila. Waiting for Brutus to wake up, start showing me stuff, start doing some more casting. See you in a bit. Woo! Okay, here we go. Look at this. Gonna do a little. And you wonder why we're kind of hammered? Not hammered. We're sober. But if you wonder why we're so hyper, just take a look around. Maybe you can figure out why. I don't know. But this is like pretty much since this morning. Everywhere you look, there's a Red Bull. Everywhere you go, people want to know. Okay, anyway. So, some of the things we've accomplished today, or this weekend, we're looking at the new head mount. We got the mold for the Recon, the mold for the boot toe. We got some Flexifilament side pieces here for Brutus. We got the mold for the Hayabusa shoulder attachments. We got more with the Hayabusa right there, getting ready to do a Hayabusa. We already did one Hayabusa sitting right there. But what else we do? We got the CQB, which we wore it. Does that count?
That does count.
I think that counts. Some more Flexifilament stuff. Plastic ones, which I will clean up and will be for sale, along with, I guess, more if you need them. More Flexifilament pieces. I can't do a Flexifilament, probably cost you twice as much. The original, and then some Hayabusa shoulder attachments right over here for Das Brutus. Over here we got a Recon
With an icon?
With an Recon with an icon. And then we got some keys. The Recon Master. We got another Recon sitting back here. A flexifoamic cod piece. More high boosted shoulder attachments. More footsies. And I know it's hard to see them because they're clear. But some clear, try out the clear plastic. We made a hand plate. We made a mag, and he made a marine shoulder, which is now going to be a spaceship of some sort. Oh, do the test. Hand plate. You're going to grab the hand plates. Check this out.
This is Illuminite Clear. Test number 50.
Now's the time it will break, though. And believe it or not, toss it. Let's go out here and just toss it in the air a little bit, like maybe the height of the house. If it breaks, it breaks. It's a test.
I don't know if you can see it. Here we go.
Okay. Now, did it even? Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, it nicked it, I guess, because it landed on the corner and nicked it.
That's it.
But that's it.
And this is the 50 or 60th time I've thrown it.
We've been throwing it for like all weekend.
It's a shuriken.
There, I did it again. It's battle damage now. So that's
no chip. No chip on the chuck.
No chip on the chuck. And that is
Illuminite Clear.
Illuminite Clear, yes.
It's about $30 for the tester. Two 16-ounce equal parts, making a 32-ounce tester.
A little bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it. We need to make a Smoothcast 321 and throw it around with it.
We will.
So you can see the mess. He had this garage clean as can be when I came down. And look now. Now it's a true workshop. It's what it needed. It needed a mess. So okay, we're gonna go back to, we're gonna make more high boosters, and we're gonna make more Recons.
We're gonna drink more Red Bulls.
And we're gonna drink more Red Bulls, and probably make more shoes. Yeah, hey, you can do a set of. I want you to do a set of the plastic ones.
Yeah.
See, he don't believe me that they get pulled out, but I got two sitting over there. Okay, anyway, see you in a bit. Brought to you by the 405th Lonely Medallion. All right, here's a progression video, and it's brought to you by me and this guy right here.
Just Brutus.
And some help from this guy right here.
Brian Kim, courtesy of Ghost Bar, Dallas, Texas.
Okay, there you go. So, here's what we got. That's it right there for the whole weekend. What do you think? You like it? Too bad. All right, check it out. That's the master, right? And then we're gonna expand out. This is our productive weekend. And we're not done. We are far from done. We are doing more boosters. We got at least as many Recons we can make for sale, of course, and more boosters for. And the boosters are actually going to be for. I'm going to have one up for grabs, and we're having the rest for the Soaring Hammer team members. Okay, so we got booster, some side plates that are flexifoamic. It's an experiment. Take that. Oh, actually, I'll just tell you. The experiment is we tested the Illuminite and the Smoothcast 320. They do combine together. And the Illuminite, when it's thin enough, is still pliable, but without breaking. Pretty sweet, huh? So there's a little test for you all. Another booster right here, ready to go. Another Smoothcast 320. Another flexifoamic boots. Flexifoamic boots. Plastic boots, some shoulders with a lot of flash on them. We got Recon with battle damage. It's gonna be mine for have some fun with. Recon. Our test subject hand plates and a mag for testing purposes. So I'm gonna pause real quick, 30 seconds, and we're gonna do a little test for you. All right, Das Brutus here is going to do a test. Gonna throw them in the air real quick, and they're both gonna hit the ground, and we'll see if any of them break. Ready? Go. Okay, and you can see they do not break. They will nick up a little bit if they're painted. I'm sure the paint will scratch off, but both the Smoothcast 320 and the Illuminite Clear are withholding the blunt force. So nice little test for y'all, brought to you by Soaring Hammer Incorporated Productions.
And this is Edgar and Dosh Brutus, 405th members, along with Soaring Hammer Incorporated Productions. Remember, if we can do it, so can you.